Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. In today's video we will talk about the lines. In the previous video we talked about the markers, how to change them, change their properties. Today's video we'll talk about changing the properties of the lines. So let me just quickly run this code here, and you can see we changed here the markers. Now let's work on the lines. And first of all, I will keep this one for reference and we will work on this one. So let me run it one more time without this parameter and see the output. We have just a simple line. Now, how to change line width? Well, you guessed it, it is line width, and we will set that maybe 10. Let's see that. And here we go. How about maybe color? It's C. So we'll set color to be, we tried red, blue. Let's go maybe for aqua or azure. Why not? Let's run. And well, it disappeared. Let's change that. Let's set to be red, run, and here it is. All right. What else we can change? We can change line style. So we learned that we can, from the format string, we can use dash or double dash or dots, colons. So we can change the appearance of the line. Also, we can change it using line style, or ls for shorthand, and set that to be, let's try dotted, run, and here we go. We can also has it as dotted and it will be the same, you can see, and also dash dot, let's see that, and here's dash dot, or as we learned previously, just simple dash dot. Here we go. Let's say none, nothing. We just add nothing, empty string. What we have? Of course, nothing. Now, which is this equals to none, and none will be a line. All right. Is there anything else? I don't think so. So basically that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.